Hey everybody, this is JT Smith and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about Mailerlite, not to be confused with Millerlite. This is an email marketing software, and today we're just going to do a simple pricing review where I'll give you all of the details you need to know on whether this software is worth it to jump into based on the pricing alone. Right off the bat, you can tell that up to 1,000 subscribers you can get Mailerlite for free. Look at what it excludes. Free plan doesn't include such features as live chat, support 24/7, free newsletter templates, auto resend, and more. So there are a lot of the features you're going to need as a small business or any other kind of business is going to be hidden behind a paywall where you're going to have to pay $10 a month to get access. Let's assume that your business only has 1,000 emails on your list. So 1,000 emails, you're going to pay $10. Or 900 emails. Anything below 1,000, you're going to pay $10. Then let's go over to a competitor, which is, I'm going to use ConvertKit. ConvertKit is a widely known, widely renowned email software, often used by people who do online marketing a lot, whereas Mailerlite is often used for people who are doing both online and offline email lists. So a lot of restaurants will use Mailerlite, and a lot of other small businesses that are local or have brick and mortar locations that collect email will use Mailerlite. So here's ConvertKit, and let's assume we got 1,000 subscribers, and you are going to pay $29 a month. They also have a free plan up to 500 subscribers, but it also excludes all of these features. So as soon as you go up to 1,000, you're going to pay $29 a month for ConvertKit. Now, back to Mailerlite. Who has less than 1,000 subscribers? Really, anybody who's getting started with email marketing should have less than 1,000 subscribers. However, if you're doing a great job collecting emails, then you're going to quickly get above that 1,000 email list. And so let me know in the description how many emails you think your business would need by the end of 1 year, based on the amount of customers you have and the rate at which you think you could collect those emails. So let's take a look at some more subscriber plans. Let's say you have 5,000 subscribers. Suddenly you're going to be paying $30 a month on Mailerlite, which is about what it costs by default on ConvertKit. So 5,000 subscribers on ConvertKit is going to cost you $79 a month. So as you can see, Mailerlite is going to give you a much better deal than ConvertKit. You might find that if you're more robust and you're doing more upselling, more premium affiliate marketing and stuff like that, you'll want to use ConvertKit. But if you're a small business and you're wanting to re-engage your customers in an easy and efficient manner with a easy to understand user interface and all those things, Mailerlite's going to be great. It's going to be the cheapest option by far for you at $30 for 5,000 subscribers. Now let's get obnoxious and say you live in a town of 100,000 people and you somehow manage to convert all of them into email subscribers. Now we're talking 100,000 emails at $360 per month. Now, hopefully if you have 100,000 emails, you can make more than $360 a month off of the fact that you have email marketing and you're running retention campaigns and you're running all sorts of re-engagement and upselling and all that. On ConvertKit, let's see what happens at 100,000. Okay, so at 100,000, you'll have to get the 105,000 subscriber plan, and you'll pay $679 a month with ConvertKit. So that's more than double. Actually, it's slightly less than double on ConvertKit. Let's go back to talking about the free plan on Mailerlite, because I have a couple details to throw in to add here, which is that you can still do email automation. You can still segment and tag your users, which is very useful for figuring out how you're going to automate them. So like if someone says that they don't like pickles on their burgers and you run a restaurant, you can send them offers for burgers that don't have pickles on them. That's a terrible example, but also maybe if you run a burger restaurant, you'll throw that in there. And then you can do A/B testing, which is useful. So honestly, the free plan is great up to 1,000 users. So it's not really harmful to give this a try. And then they also try to upsell you a little bit here. And obviously you don't need to do that unless you're really growing and you have a big email lists and you want to ensure maximum deliverability and all those things, you might need a couple of those upsells. But overall, you can probably get away with the free plan for a little bit for the first month, at least until you get your email sequences and funnels built and start getting a lot of subscribers. So hopefully this all makes sense. If you want to use Mailerlite, I recommend using the link in the description. That'll help out my channel immensely, and it's right there in front of you. It's easy to access. So please go ahead and do that. And if you want to see more videos like this, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will see you next video.